Hi guys, today we are in Nara Park of Nara. As you can see, there are deer everywhere.
Oh, brother!
We're back again. Now it's October, but it still feels like summer. It's super hot out here. I've got my camera with me. Let's take a walk around this park and take some photos of the deer and head on to our next destination. So specifically, we are in the Nara Deer Park with the Nara Museum. This is what it looks like. The deer here are so friendly. If you have deer crackers, they'll bow to you, and that's their way of asking for deer crackers. Hi. Random Nara deer fact. So these deers are said to be messengers from the gods. So they are protected by the city and the people, since they're sacred. Uniquely, these Nara deer also have a special diet, and they can also eat tree bark. So if you look around, a lot of these trees have metal wiring that prevents them from eating their tree bark because that ends up killing the trees. Gotta be careful. So here we are. I've got some shikasenbei, which are the Japanese deer crackers that you can feed the deer. I only paid about 200 yen for this, which is maybe like $1.50. And you get 10 pieces. You can also eat them. It just tastes like tasteless or sugarless cereal. Anyways, let's go give the deer some of these crackers. You can see she's bowing. They eat these crackers so fast. One more. There you go. Hopefully you guys liked looking at the deers as much as I did. We're pretty hungry and parched, so let's go get something to drink. We got smoked salmon sandwiches. And an iced Americano. Delicious. I'll see you guys once we're done. Here we are at our second location for today. We are at Kasuga Taisha, which is a very popular temple location right by Nara Park where we were at earlier. Let's go in and check it out. So for 700 yen, we got ourselves a special ticket inside this temple area. I think it's totally worth it because you get a better in-depth look at these temples. So definitely check them out if you can. Well, that was the exit of our little special temple tour. Let's go into the free area, which is that way. Alrighty, I hope you guys liked today's small walkthrough of Nara. Tomorrow we've got a big day. I wanted to end the day off by checking out this temple right here. This is the Wakakusa Temple, and it's a complex 5-story pagoda building. Unfortunately, obviously it is under construction, and I didn't know that until we made our way here. So we can't check it out this time around, but I think that still works out perfectly because we have a big day tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Good morning, we are on day 2 on our little Nara trip. On this part of the video, we will be trailing up Mount Wakakusa, which I'll put right here. And this is what the base of the mountain looks like. It's supposed to be a super short and quick, easy trail, but with a beautiful view at the top, and it's gonna rain. At least it says it's gonna rain at 5 p.m, so we're gonna try to get up before then, and hopefully we'll make it out. Here's the park at the mountain. So here we are. This is the entrance to the trail. It only costed us 150 yen to take this path, but it should only take about 20 minutes to get to the top of this mountain, if you can even call it that. Today is extremely hot for October. It's 30 degrees right now, Celsius. In Fahrenheit, I'll put it right here. Extremely hot for October, when it's supposed to be like fall season, but here we are. As you can see, there are still deer everywhere. You can already see the start of a great view. So it's gotten pretty quiet really fast. Really nice and peaceful now. There's a location just a little bit higher than where we are now. Right up there. That's where we're gonna go now. Almost to the top. We finally made it up. It's so soft. Very nice and relaxing up here. Hello. Right now it is 27 degrees Celsius, or this much in Fahrenheit. Very, very hot. Let's make our way down before it gets too dark and we can get something to eat. So we finally found a place to sit down, found a curry festival. So this is our dinner, let me show you. We got chicken cream curry and rice. And so you can see that there's a bunch of different vendors. So once you're done with your curry and or rice, you can just pick more rice or pick more curry, whatever you want, and just kind of do what Luca's doing. Let's dig in. Here we go. It's so good. It's perfect after a long day of walking on a mountain and beating this heat. So I want to finish this video off by saying thank you so much for watching. We're gonna end the video here. If you like what you just saw, please like, comment, and share. It helps the channel out a lot. We are actually almost at 400 subscribers, which is pretty crazy to me. I appreciate all of the support. If you want to see more of my content, I post photos all the time and where I'm going and what I'm doing on Instagram. So follow me at Instagram at urzasmith. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. 鹿の子の子の子こしたん